Remember those epic laundry treks back in college, dragging your entire wardrobe across town on a bus just to find three washers kaput and then end up folding clothes on the floor in a dubious back alley laundromat? Yeah, us too.
That's why we're ditching the drama and bringing laundry back to its roots, baby. We're talking vintage wash tubs, eco-friendly solutions, and folding so good it'll blow your mind. We're not your average laundry service. We're on a mission to reimagine laundry as an act of care, just like Grandma used to do, baby.
Think of us as your laundry fairy godmothers, whisking away your dirty duds and returning them fresh, folded, and feeling loved. So ditch the bus pass and ditch the laundromat blues and let us pamper your clothes and your sanity.
PS. We're Passion House certified and OSHA ready. So trust your clothes are in good